The new Lincoln Navigator has been introduced at the Guangzhou Auto Show with its redesigned exterior and interior design. In terms of appearance design, the new Lincoln Navigator adopts the latest family-style design, and the size of the grille is larger than the previous version. And it is decorated with large-area black plaques. The model uses long and narrow transition-type headlights, and the car logo can be illuminated. It is also worth mentioning that the model can choose a blackout kit. It is worth mentioning that after selecting it, the waist cover, grille, front spoiler, roof rack and brand logo will turn black. The rear design of the new Lincoln Navigator still uses a transition-type light group reflecting the front and rear, and the trunk lid opens from the upper and lower ends. The length, width and height of the standard axle version of the new Navigator are 5334/2403/1981 mm, and the wheelbase is 3112 mm, respectively. The length, width and height of the long axle version are 5636/2403/1981 mm, respectively, and the wheelbase is 3340 mm. Inside, the design of the new Lincoln Navigator is basically consistent with the design of the new Navigator. The luxurious technology line, soft finish and multi-layer design highlight the sense of class. The center console is equipped with a 48-inch holographic display and an 11.1-inch central control display. The push-button gear shifting is still maintained. The car supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto mobile phone interconnection. The second row is equipped with aviation seats that support seat ventilation, heating, and massage. In terms of power, the new Lincoln Navigator is equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 dual-turbocharged engine with a maximum power of 440 horsepower. The transmission system is matched with a 10-speed manual transmission, and is also equipped with a 4-speed transmission. All-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension system are available. The new Lincoln Navigator is positioned as a large SUV. The guide price range of the 4th-generation model currently on sale is 1.008 million to 1.258 million yuan. Once launched, the 5th-generation model will directly face models such as the GLS and BMW X7,